Here's how to create a past due statement in QuikCheK. Click Reports at the top, then click Account Balances on the left. This screen will take time to load, so be patient. This will list all of your members and their account balances. You can grab the scroll bar on the far right and scroll to the bottom to see how many billing accounts you have in your database. You can filter the list to see only past due members by unchecking credit and zero balance. Let's print a statement of past due balances for John Adams. Please note the checkboxes to the left of each member's name. We want to remove all of those checkboxes so we don't accidentally print hundreds of statements. So click Deselect All in the top left. If it says Select All, then click Select All, then Deselect All, to remove all of the check marks. Now let's put a check mark next to the John Adams account that we want to print a statement for, and click the Statements button on the taskbar. Click Print to see a balance forward statement without any history. If you'd like to print a statement that shows all of his outstanding charges that make up his balance, find John Adams and view his payment history to see how far back you want to go. In John's case, it looks like we can backdate to September of last year to see plenty of charges on his statement. Let's return to the Account Balances screen and click the Statements button again. This time we'll backdate it to December of 2024 and click Print. Now you'll see all of the activity on his account from December of 2024 up to today. And that's how to print statements in QuikCheK. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.